Dalkayan Rasak serves as a member of the Night Lord's Legion during the era Indomitus. Leader of the Blades of Atrocity Warband, supported by Lieutenant Zorayan, Claw Leaders Krutan, Vankro, and Havoc Cyburian. These raiders of the domains of the Imperium, due to their lack of numbers, require aid from fellow warbands to ensure their survival. Gathering a war council comprised of himself, Lord Zirklon of the Sons of Malice, Lord Felicicus of the Crimson Slaughter, Bonesage Vilius of the Warp Ghosts, and Grench of the Flylords. His advisements on the means to assault the Forge World of Urzamundis would fall on deaf ears. Tasked with assaulting the Templum Civitalis via Thunderhawk deployment, the Blades of Atrocity fought through Castellan robot defenders and Skitarii vanguards. Contacted by Lord Felicicus that the War Council had now decided to accede to the Night Lord's prior advisements to secure the Defant Heights aerodrome, Razak stifled his fury at being used as a diversion for his duplicitous allies to greedily harvest the spoils he desired. Splitting his warband into smaller Nemesis claws, as Dalkayan ordered his men to fight to the location of the Forge World's Archmagos, Belena 541 Kappa. His men's destruction of the Plasma Lord's reactor containment array destroyed the Tech Overlord and much of their forces. Dwindled to 6 remaining men of his warband following the explosion, as word reached him of his Thunderhawk and its pilot crash landing, only retreat could ensure his warband's survival. His own frigate vessel, the Abjuration, destroyed by the Lord of the Crimson Slaughter, Razak feigned ignorance of such an action, as his men sought an escape craft from the facility shuttle bay. Seizing the tech priest Theta Ibriel 74's assistance in exchange for not destroying the Archivist's precious meme stacks, Razak hailed the Crimson Slaughter for sanctuary as they fled the surface. His fate unknown following the raid on Urzamundis. Whether this craftsman of flesh shall strip the hide from Lord Felicicus for his treachery remains unknown.